Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm sharing some simple steps for beginning handwriting practice. Step number 1 is scribbling. Scribbling is essential to kids developing pre-writing skill. Kids don't need to start with letters or shapes right away. Scribbling helps kids build eye-hand coordination needed for later writing skills. Next step is to start with standing lines. It is also called straight lines, sleeping lines, and slanting lines. The alphabets will be a combination of these lines. For example, I is written with one standing line and two sleeping lines. Once your child is comfortable with these lines, start with alphabets with standing and sleeping lines, such as L, T, H, I, E, F. Then the ones with the slanting lines, for example, A, V, W, K, etc. And then the alphabet with the curves. Third step is letter recognition and identification. Letter recognition is important because it enables beginning reader to figure out how printed text is associated with spoken language. Here comes the last step, that is practice. Yes, practice, the activity of doing something again and again in order to become better at it. So here are some practice exercises.
Very good. Chalo, next. What is this? Write the first letter. You have to write the first letter of the picture. Very good. What is the next picture?
Leaf.
Okay.
Apple. Care.
Huh? No. After leaf.
Key.
This one.
Key. Key for key.
Okay, right. Leaf. Okay. Next is.
K for kite.
But what is the picture?
K for key.
Key. Okay. Good. Very good. You do very fast.
So, by following these simple steps, you can make your child learn how to write alphabets. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.